Hola alumnos, ahora vamos a estudiar las diferencias entre los usos del verbo estar y también el verbo ser. La información para esta lección está en las páginas 174 y 175. So we are first going to review when we use the verb ser. Remember, ser and estar both mean to be. We are going to use ser when we want to express identity. Por ejemplo, yo soy la profesora Brooks. I'm telling you about my identity as to who I am, so I'll use ser. Also, to express nationality, and with the preposition de when we want to express origin. Por ejemplo, ellos son españoles. Ellos son de Madrid. We will use ser when we want to identify profession. María es estudiante. We will also use ser with adjectives that describe characteristics. Yo soy inteligente. We will use ser with the preposition de when we want to express possession. El libro es de Lisa. And we will also use ser when we want to tell time. Es la 1:15. Son las 5 de la tarde. We will use ser with para to tell intentions. El regalo es para mi madre. And we can also use ser to form many impersonal statements. Es bueno estudiar todos los días. We will use ser with the preposition de to tell of what material something is made. Esta falda es de algodón. And to perform mathematical equations. 4 más 6 son 10. And finally, we will use ser to express the location of events. El concierto es en el parque. Muy bien. Now that we've reviewed when we'll use ser, let's take a look at when we will use the verb estar, which also means to be. We will use estar when we want to tell location. Yo estoy en la biblioteca. To describe physical conditions, Enrique está enfermo. To describe emotional conditions, Claudia está muy nerviosa porque hay un examen mañana. To talk about weather expressions, está nublado. And with the present participle to form the present progressive tense. Yo estoy leyendo un libro ahora mismo. Muy bien. Remember, ser is used with adjectives that describe the fundamental quality of a person, place, or thing. Estar, however, is used with adjectives to express conditions that are true at a given moment. They do not describe the inherent qualities of a noun. So ser, when we're talking about the fundamental qualities, estar, when we're talking about conditions that can change. Some adjectives can be used with either ser or estar, depending on what meaning we are trying to convey. If we're trying to communicate to be, as in something looks, feels, or appears, we will use the verb estar. So although there are various instances in which we can say to be, because we have two words in Spanish that mean the same thing, we need to ensure we are using them properly and appropriately, depending on the context of our conversation or our writing. So be sure to review when to use ser and estar. Y hasta la próxima vez. Nos vemos.